A very good morning, class 2. Yes, we have already done subtraction without borrowing. Today we will start subtraction with borrowing, right? So now open the page number 79 in book and do only questions in your copy, not in description, right? Yes. So now we will start subtraction with borrowing. See the question number 2 of page number 79. Subtract. O means ones, T stands for tens, and 4117 minus, right? So now step 1 is, if given numbers is already arranged in column wise, then we will start from step 2. If number is not arranged in column wise, then step 1 is arranging the given digit in column wise. Okay, yes. So we have already done, and this is all number is already arranged in column wise. So now we will start from step 2. So what is step 2? Subtract the ones. Now step 2 is subtract the ones. So see the ones, 1 or 7. It means we want to subtract 7 from 1. Is it possible? No. Right? So 7 is greater than 1. So we cannot subtract 7 from 1s. See the step 2, subtracting the 1s. So 7 is greater than 1. Right? So we cannot subtract 7 from 1s. Borrow 110. Right? Borrow 110. If 1 borrow, then only 3 tens are left. Right? If 1 borrow from tens, then only 3 tens are left. See. Borrow 110, so that 3 tens are left and leaving behind 3 or, right? So 310 and 1 becomes, so borrowing 110 plus in 1's place 1 is already 1's, right? So 110 plus 1 ones. So 1 ones and 110 means 10 means 1 0, 110 means 1 0, 10 ones plus 1 ones. So now 10 ones plus 1 ones is 11 ones, right? And here is 7. Then we subtract 7 from 11. So 11 ones minus 7 ones equals to 11 minus 7. If suppose here 11 lines are here, 11 lines is there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, right? And 7 cut off them, 1 2 3 5 6 7. So how many lines are left? 1 2 3 4. So write 4 under the ones column. Clear? Yes. Now step 3, as it is, subtract the tens. So in tens position, after the ones, now tens position 3, right? So and 1. So it means we want to subtract 1 from 3. Is it possible? Yes, it is easily possible, right? So suppose there is 3 fingers and 1 is cut off them, then how many fingers are left? 2. So if there are 3 lines and 1 is cut off them, then how many lines are there? 1 2 2. Then write 2 under the tens column. Okay? Yes. Now see the some questions on page number 79. So do this work in fair copy, right? Now next question is question number 3. This is ones and this is tens. Okay? Only do the solution, not description. Okay? Yes. Yes. So here 5 and 9. It means we want to subtract 9 from 5, but 9 is greater than 5. So from the tens column, borrow 1 10, leaving behind, and 5 10 are left, and 5 becomes 1 10 plus 5 ones becomes 1 5 15. Now 15 minus 9 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6. So write 6 under the ones column. Okay, yes. Now in tens column, we want to subtract 4 from 5. Is it possible? Yes, it is easily possible. Suppose there are 5 fingers and 4 is cut off them, then only one finger is left. So write 1 under the tens column. Clear? Yes. Now see the next question. O stands for ones and T stands for tens. So step 1 is, this is already arranged in column wise. So now we will start from step 2. Step 2 is subtracting the ones, right? It means we want to subtract 3 from 2, right? But it is not possible because 3 is greater than 2, right? So from the tens column, we borrow 1 10 and 6 10 are left, or leaving behind 6, right? So and 1 10 plus 2 ones becomes 1 10 means 10, and plus 2, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 ones minus 3 ones. 12 minus 3 is 9. So write 9 under the ones column. Is it clear? Yes. Now step 3 is subtracting the tens. So we want to subtract 5 from 6. So 6 minus 5 is 1. So write 1 under the tens column. Clear? Yes. Now see the question number 5. O stands for ones and T stands for tens. 8 4 4 6. Now this is already arranged in column wise, so we will start from second step. So step 2 is subtracting the ones, and see the ones 4 or 6, right? It means that we want to subtract 6 from 4, right? Yes. So but it is not possible because 6 is greater than 4. Then we borrow 1 10 and leaving behind 7, right? Yes. And now in ones position, 1 10 is borrowed, right? And 1 10 plus 4 ones becomes 14. 14 ones minus 6 ones. 14 minus 6 is 8, right? 14 minus 6 is 8. And now in tens, we want to subtract 4 from 7. So 7 minus 4 is 3, right? 38 is the right answer. Now question number 6. This is already arranged in column wise, right? So now step 2 is we want to subtract 8 from 0. It is not possible, right? So from the tens column, 1 10 borrow and leaving behind 8, and 1 10 plus 0 ones becomes 10 ones. 10 ones minus 8 ones equals to 2 ones. So write 2 under the ones column. And now step 3 is subtracting the tens. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So 3 2 is the right answer. So do the given sums, right, in your fair copy. Okay. Thank you so much class, and do neat and clean work. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much class, and have a nice day. Bye.